Friday, main drivers. Today is my day 19 challenge. And today is my Friday Fast Talk challenge. No pressure, walang script, walang perfection. This week, I did the deep work mindset, follow-ups, courage, showing up kahit takot. So today, it's fun day tayo. This is my Friday talk, fast talk challenge. Mabilis lang po ito. It's like kwentuhan lang, tawanan, and just being real. Hindi ito tungkol sa pagiging magaling. It's about being present, confident, and connected. So, if you're watching this, relax ka lang dyan. This is a safe place. Let's have fun today. So, let's dive in for my 10 question Fast Talk Day challenge. So, if you had 3 prayer wishes, what would you wish for? For me, it's time freedom, retire early, and of course, ang gusto ng lahat, financial freedom. Number 2, what would you rather throw away? Love or money? Actually, hindi ko ito masagot kasi money is important, but love is the most important for me. What's the most beautiful place you've ever seen? For me, it's Italy kasi nandito ako eh. What was your most fondest memory of high school? For me, it's cutting class, no? What's your favorite TV show? For me, is Voltes 5 sa mga nakaka-relate dyan. Number 6, what's the strangest thing in your refrigerator? I don't know the answer. Number 7, would you rather hear the music of Bruno Mars or Metallica? For me is Bruno Mars. Number 8, have you ever been to a 5-star hotel resort? Absolutely not yet. And number 9, what was your favorite toy growing up? For me, it's Barbie doll. What's the funniest way you've ever broken the law? I don't know. Alright, wind drivers, that's it for today. If this live made you smile, laugh, or feel a little more confident, mission accomplished. Only reminder, your personality is your superpower. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Showing up as you is already enough. If you enjoyed this fast talk, drop a comment. Drop a comment fun below. And if you're part of this challenge, go. Bye-bye. God bless you and have a blessed weekend.